thing that we had to clear up was the biggest lie that I've heard in a very long time. They said that Portmore, the Sunshine City, was the vision of Edward Seaga. If it was Edward Seaga, it wouldn't be called the Sunshine City. It would be called the Belltown City. So I have to remind them that it was Norman Washington Manley that formed the Portmore Development Company and built the dike and built the causeway and dump up Portmore so that it could be ready for housing. And so I said to the labor rights, please stop the lying. Please stop the deceit. Please stop the capping. There is a reason why Portmore is close to the heart of the People's National Party. Because when we say power to the people, this is the example of giving power to the people. We are not only get a small unit and have built a big mansion. It is proof that is the poor is given a chance. They will take it and run with it. Portmore is not only Portmore, it is an example to the nation that we the people can be something. There's a reason why the first black man to be elected prime minister come from the People's National Party. There's a reason why the first woman to be prime minister come from the People's National Party. There's a reason why the first man with locks to go in parliament come from the People's National Party. So when I hear them I say, JLP and Rasta too. Said that at all. Well, let me tell you where my vote is. Damien Crawford is voting St. Catherine Southeastern PD 98 at Bridgeport Primary School. I want a referendum because I am a voter in Portmore. I don't talk to nobody but myself. Because I know in 2023, Christopher said that it wasn't a priority. And all of a sudden now, he has found land for the hospital. I never know Jamaica would have found a Christopher worse than Columbus. Please stop the lying. But since I promise, you promise. I find land for